Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing unboxing of the Google Pixel 9. Also I'm going to go over all the specs and then I'm going to compare it with the Google Pixel 8. So let's start with this unboxing. What I have here is the porcelain color. Here is a little bit of the specs here. So I ended up going with the 128 gigabytes. Now let's unbox it. All right, here we go. Let's remove the phone, put it on the side for now. Let's see what else we have. So no paperwork. We do have USB-C to USB-C cable, nothing else. This is the first time I get a phone with no paperwork, no startup guide, nothing like that. And interestingly enough, I don't think we even got the SIM card ejector tool. Wow, that's very interesting. All right, let's put it on the side. Now let's check this beautiful phone. I guess it's just supposed to peel it off. It definitely looks a lot different than the Pixel 8. I mean, this feels a lot more premium. Absolutely love the color choice as well. I was thinking about getting it between the black or this one, and I'm so glad I went with this one. Definitely looks a lot better. So we do have the glass back. We have aluminum sides, aluminum frame. And then on the bottom, we have the SIM card slot. So it uses two SIM cards, one physical, one eSIM, no SD card expansion, USB-C for charging. Then we have speaker. Then on this side, we have power lock button, volume rockers. I'm not sure what this is for yet. We do have microphone. Absolutely love the design. And then we have dual cameras with the flash on the back. The camera lenses definitely stick out a lot, but which is normal for the Google Pixel. Now let's do a quick comparison. I mean, I can honestly say the Google Pixel 9 definitely looks a lot better. I do enjoy the design of the Google Pixel 8, but once I have this one in my hands, it definitely looks better. I mean, even the sides just look so much better. I'm absolutely in love with this design. Now let's turn it on, set it up, and then I'll go over the specs. Alright, so I just finished setting it up. You can end up using Face Unlock or the fingerprint sensor or both. Let me show you how the fingerprint sensor looks. So the moment you end up putting your finger that you scan, it's going to unlock the screen. Overall, so far, a very, very pleasant experience. Absolutely love this phone. It definitely feels a lot more premium than the Google Pixel 8. Real fast, let's go over all the specs. Let's start with the display. It does have 6.3-inch display with the resolution of 2400 times 1080 pixels, 22:9 ratio, 418 pixels per inch. This is OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. It also has 2700 nits of peak brightness, so this phone should get extremely bright. Now when it comes to the performance, it comes with the all-new Google Tensor G4 CPU, which is the octa-core processor. It also comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is different from the Google Pixel 8 that comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. And when it comes to storage, you can end up getting it with the 128 or 256, so make sure you decide that before getting it because you can expand the storage. Now when it comes to the battery, it comes with a little bit bigger battery than the Pixel 8, 4700. Of course, this phone supports the fast charging, cheap wireless charging, wired at 27 watts, wireless at 15 watts. And finally, when it comes to the camera, it still has the 10.5 pixels front-facing camera. And when it comes to the rear cameras, dual cameras, it has 50 megapixel main camera, which I believe is the same camera from the Google Pixel 8. But it does have all new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera. And that one is much improved from the previous 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera that was on the Google Pixel 8. Also, that 50 megapixel main camera will have quite a lot of software improvements on it. Of course, I'm gonna have to test that more in the future. Overall, my first impression is very, very positive. This is a very gorgeous phone. Absolutely love the back of this phone. This is probably one of the most attractive phones right now. I do have the iPhone 15 Pro and absolutely love the design of this one way more than the 15 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.